Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enhance facial details with Remini AI. So let's get started with the video. So once you're on the home page, you can select the particular image for you which you want to enhance the facial expressions. Post that you can click on Enhance. It will take few seconds to take you to the page where you can enhance the facial details. Here at the lower right corner, you will see an option of face enhancer. You need to click on that. It will take you to this page which will have various options. As you can see, we have the 4 options here. You can choose the image according to you, how you want to enhance the facial expression. Once you have done that, click on the right icon at below right corner. The next option here will be face retouch. You will here get as well few options. You can give the retouch to your facial details. You can choose it from here. You can also set as default if you want to by toggle it on this icon, and post that click on the right icon, and you can save the image from upper right download icon. So once you have done that, you can see that it's been saved in gallery. So this is how you can enhance facial details with Remini AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.